Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam kemanusiaan, salam Bagana. Hi, back again to Bagana channel at Menara 165 with me Ipung and all media team. This time we are going to share 7 effective ways to prevent respiratory infection during the dry season. The dry season is associated with hot weather, drier air, and an increase in dust and pollution. This condition can irritate the respiratory tract and increase the risk of acute respiratory infection. Commonly in Indonesia, we call it ISPA, especially in children, the elderly, and people with a weak immune system. This illness is usually caused by viral or bacterial infection that attack the respiratory tract. However, exposure to dust, smoke, and deteriorating air quality during the dry season can make the airways more prone to irritation and make it easier for the disease to spread. Here are 7 effective ways to prevent respiratory infections. 1. Wear a mask when outdoors. During the dry season, dust and air pollution tend to increase. Wearing a mask, especially when air quality worsens or when in dusty environments, can help reduce exposure to particles that can irritate your respiratory tract. For people with asthma, allergies, and chronic lung disease, wearing a mask can also help lower the risk of symptoms flaring up. 2. Wash your hands frequently. Viruses and bacteria that cause respiratory infection can spread through hands that touch contaminated surfaces. Therefore, make it a habit to wash your hands with soap and running water for at least 20 seconds, especially before eating, after coughing or sneezing, and after being in the public places. 3. Drink more water. Hot and dry weather makes the body lose fluids more easily. Besides preventing dehydration, drinking enough water helps keep your respiratory tract moist so it doesn't get irritated easily. 4. Maintain body immunity. A strong immune system plays an important role in combating infections that cause respiratory tract infections. To maintain body immunity, consume a balanced nutrition diet rich in vitamins, mineral, protein, and fiber. Also ensure sufficient sleep, regular exercise, and stress management to keep the immune system functioning optimally. 5. Avoid cigarette smoke and pollution. Cigarette smoke contains various substances that can damage the respiratory tract and reduce the body's ability to fight infections. Likewise, air pollution can exacerbate infection in the nose, throat, and lungs. 6. Practice coughing and sneezing etiquette. When you cough or sneeze, cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or the inside of your elbow and your hands. After that, throw that tissue in the bin and wash your hands. This simple habit is effective in helping reduce the spread of viruses and bacteria that cause respiratory infection to others. 7. Maintain environmental cleanliness. Clean environmental can help reduce exposure to dust, dirt, and disease-causing microorganisms. During the dry season, dust is more likely to disperse, making it important to regularly clean the house, particularly the floors, tables, windows, and frequently touch objects. Also, ensure proper air circulation inside the house by opening windows at appropriate times and cleaning events and air condition regularly. The dry season can increase exposure to dust, pollution, and dry air, which may irritate the respiratory tract. Although not a direct cause of respiratory infection, this condition can increase a person's risk of respiratory infections, especially if their immune system is compromised. So, implementing simple habits such as wearing a mask when the air is dusty, washing hands, meeting fluid needs, consuming nutritious foods, avoiding cigarette smoke, and practicing cough and sneeze etiquette are effective steps to help prevent respiratory infections. Hopefully, we can apply these 7 things in our daily lives. See you on next sharing. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam kemanusiaan, salam Bagana.